Mastering Your Money – Essential Financial Strategies. Welcome to my channel. Mastering Your Money – Essential Financial Strategies unveils key principles for effective wealth management. From creating budgets to investing wisely, this guide illuminates fundamental strategies crucial for financial mastery. Explore tenets like emergency fund creation, debt elimination, and diversified investments to navigate the complexities of personal finance and achieve lasting financial success. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Plan for major financial goals. Planning for major financial goals is a cornerstone of mastering your money. Clearly defining objectives, such as purchasing a home or funding education, empowers individuals to navigate their financial journey with purpose. Essential financial strategies involve creating strategic plans with specific timelines, milestones, and actionable steps. Whether it's building a down payment, setting up an education fund, or starting a business, a well-thought-out roadmap ensures steady progress. Regularly reassessing and adjusting these plans based on changing circumstances and priorities is key. This approach not only cultivates financial discipline, but also positions individuals to achieve their aspirations while maintaining financial stability. Number 9. Establish multiple income streams. Establishing multiple income streams is a fundamental financial strategy in mastering your money. Diversifying revenue sources beyond a primary job enhances financial resilience and accelerates wealth building. Side hustles, freelance work, or passive income avenues contribute to a more robust financial portfolio, mitigating the impact of economic uncertainties. This strategy not only offers a safety net, but also opens avenues for personal and professional growth. By cultivating varied income streams, individuals can better weather unexpected financial challenges and seize opportunities for increased savings, investments, and overall financial security. It's a proactive approach to securing financial well-being and achieving long-term monetary goals. Number 8. Negotiate and review expenses regularly. Regularly negotiating and reviewing expenses is a pivotal financial strategy in mastering your money. It involves a proactive approach to managing your budget by scrutinizing recurring costs and seeking better deals. This ongoing financial mindfulness ensures that you're not overspending and allows for the optimization of your budget. By periodically reassessing and trimming unnecessary expenses, individuals can redirect funds towards savings, investments, or debt reduction, contributing to overall financial health and stability. It's a practical and empowering habit that fosters responsible and efficient financial management. Number 7. Protect your assets with insurance. Safeguarding your financial well-being involves a crucial strategy: protecting your assets with insurance. This essential financial practice mitigates risks associated with unexpected events. Adequate coverage for health, life, home, and other significant assets shields you from potential financial setbacks, offering a safety net during emergencies. Regularly assessing and updating your insurance policies according to changing needs and circumstances is integral to maintaining comprehensive protection. Prioritizing insurance as part of your financial strategy enhances resilience, fortifying your financial foundation and allowing you to navigate uncertainties with greater peace of mind. Number 6. Educate yourself about finances. Educating yourself about finances stands as a cornerstone in mastering your money. This essential financial strategy empowers individuals to make informed decisions, enhancing their overall financial literacy. Staying abreast of investment strategies, tax planning, and economic trends fosters a proactive approach to wealth management. Whether it's understanding market dynamics or honing budgeting skills, a commitment to financial education ensures a solid foundation for sound financial practices, ultimately leading to increased financial security and long-term success. Number 5. Plan for retirement. Planning for retirement is a pivotal financial strategy in mastering your money. It involves strategically setting aside funds to ensure a comfortable and secure future. Initiating retirement savings early, capitalizing on employer-sponsored plans, and considering diverse investment options are integral components. Regularly reassessing and adjusting this plan as circumstances evolve ensures it stays aligned with your objectives. The foresight to plan for retirement not only provides financial security in later years, but also reinforces a disciplined approach to wealth management throughout one's lifetime. Number 4. Eliminate high-interest debt. Eliminating high-interest debt is a fundamental financial strategy in mastering your money. Tackling debts with exorbitant interest rates, such as credit card balances, is paramount to achieving financial freedom. By redirecting funds previously allocated to interest payments, individuals regain control over their finances and pave the way for future wealth accumulation. This strategy not only frees up resources for savings and investments, but also fosters financial discipline. Prioritizing the elimination of high-interest debt ensures a more stable financial foundation and sets the stage for sustainable economic well-being. Number 3. Invest wisely for the future. Investing wisely for the future is a cornerstone in mastering your money. Diversifying investments across stocks, bonds, and real estate mitigates risks and maximizes long-term returns. Understanding personal risk tolerance and aligning investment choices with financial goals is key. Leveraging employer-sponsored plans, exploring individual investment accounts, and seeking professional advice contribute to a well-rounded strategy. By making informed decisions and embracing a patient approach, individuals position themselves for financial growth, security, and the realization of long-term wealth accumulation goals. Number 2. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a vital financial strategy in mastering your money. This fund serves as a financial safety net, providing a buffer against unforeseen circumstances like medical emergencies or job loss. Consistent and disciplined contributions to this fund ensure preparedness for unexpected financial setbacks, preventing the need to rely on high-interest debt. The emergency fund stands as a cornerstone for overall financial resilience, allowing individuals to navigate uncertainties with confidence and maintain control over their financial well-being. Number 1. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget and adhering to it is a fundamental financial strategy in mastering your money. Establishing a detailed budget that outlines income, expenses, and savings goals provides a clear roadmap for financial decisions. It serves as a powerful tool for tracking spending, identifying areas for savings, and avoiding unnecessary debt. Sticking to the budget requires discipline and regular reviews to ensure alignment with financial goals. This strategy cultivates responsible financial habits, promotes mindful spending, and contributes to long-term financial stability. A well-maintained budget empowers individuals to prioritize their financial objectives, make informed choices, and ultimately master their money. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.